Do you know you can make so much money online with little or no effort? Now, if you doubt me, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 soft skills that you can use to make so much money for yourself this year. And guess what? These skills are skills that you can learn just under 2 minutes. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial. Have you ever been in a situation where you're watching a video and it has so many background noise? Or maybe it's even your video, you made a video and it has a lot of background noise, a lot of people talking, cars passing, maybe generator humming and all the rest of them. Have you ever found yourself in that situation? If yes, then a lot of people out there also find themselves in that situation, and that is where you come in. You're going to be using this soft skill to make money. And what is that soft skill? You're going to be removing the background noise. Yes, so number 1 on our list is background noise remover. So go to your Play Store or your App Store if you're using iOS and type in audio noise reducer, and then you're going to see an app like this with this logo. But as you can see, I've already installed it, but you can go ahead and install it yourself, and then you click on open and it's going to open the app after installation. So now all I have to do is to bring in the video that I want to remove the background sound. So to do that, all I have to do here is to click on import file, and you choose between audio or video. If you have a video file, you choose the video part, or if you have an audio file, you go ahead and choose audio. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be using a video. So I click on video and go to files and select the video, and bam, it starts removing the sound immediately, automatically. You don't need to do anything. So it's going to denoise everything. So it's doing that and it's done. So let me go ahead and play the original sound. Ta-da! So I'm going to be using this fan to test the background noise remover, so you will know how easy it is to remove noise from any video or audio just with a click of a button. Let's go ahead and do that now. So, and let me go ahead and play the one that has already been worked on. Ta-da! So I'm going to be using this fan to test the background noise remover, so you will know how easy it is to remove noise from any video or audio just with a click of a button. Let's go ahead and do that now. And there you have it. It's amazing how this app can do amazing things. And guess what? This app is actually a paid app, but in the future video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can get all these apps for free. And if you like to see that, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss that video whenever I upload it. And for you not to miss it, you need to turn on the post notification, turn on all notifications, so that whenever I upload the video, you will be notified instantly so that you won't miss it. So you don't even have to pay anything for the app. Trust me, you don't have to. So all you have to do now is to go ahead and save the file. So it has a lot of formats if you want to save it as a WAV format or AAC or MP3 or any of the video formats. So because it's a video and it's an MP4 video file, I'm just going to go ahead and click on MP4 and save it as MP4. But if it's audio, you can go ahead and save it as maybe WAV or MP3, or whichever one your client requires. You can go ahead and save it in that format. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on MP4, and it's saved automatically. As you can see, it's now saved just like that. Can you beat that? Now, I want to show you something before we go over to the number 2. I want to quickly show you something here that is amazing and will blow your mind. If you go to Fiverr and search remove background noise, you're going to see people offering this service, and a lot of them are making a lot of money from it. As you can see, look at this guy. He has over 1,000 gigs. So let's quickly check out this one. So here you can see this guy has done 2,422 orders at a starting price of $20 per gig. The standard price is $30 and premium is $40. And the basic price is just for 15 minutes video or audio. So you can make a lot of money with this, and you can see here that he has 7 orders in queue. And if we're going to calculate this, let's see a rough estimate of how much this guy has actually generated with this soft skill. So if you go to calculator, 2422 times, so we're going to just do standard. So we're going to do the 30 because we, a lot of people want more than 15 minutes video. So let's just do in between. So we're going to use the standard price and do, okay, let's do $25 just to be fair, and this is excluding the orders in queue, because the orders in queue have been paid for But let's assume that all of them will be cancelled, which all of them won't be cancelled because he has 5 stars. So it's money for him already. But let's just go ahead and calculate it with this figure, the one that has been completed already. So I'm going to multiply it by just $25. And here you can see he has made $60,000 just by removing background noise from videos. How cool is that? A lot of people are making videos today with background noise and they don't know how to remove it. And that is where you can come in. You can sell your services on Fiverr, Upwork, or anywhere. You have your WhatsApp contacts that are also content creators that will need to remove noise from their background. There's a lot of people that cannot even create content comfortably in their homes because of the generator sound interfering. But with this service, you can encourage them to just record anywhere they want to, and then you can remove the noise for them. How incredible is that? It's going to make a lot of people create more content, and then it's going to put a lot of money in your pocket. And that is going to bring us to number 2 on the list, and that is no other than mockup. Now, a lot of people have been asking me how I do my mockups. I'm going to show you one simple website that is going to do that for you almost for free. So all you have to do is to go to smartmockups.com, smartmockups.com, and here they have mockups for anything you can ever think of. They have technology, smartphones, laptops, wristwatches, and all whatnot. They have the print, the branding, the magazine, the brochures, the cards, the books, frames, outdoor vehicles, and all the rest of them. They have the packaging, cosmetics, food, beverages, supplements, bags, etc. So anyone that you want to go for, it's going to be available here. You just do the mockup and sell it to anybody, and it's quite easy to do, very easy. So let me quickly show you how to use this, and it's quite very simple. Now all you have to do is to select anyone that you want to work with. Let's say we want to work with this one. You just click on it and then it's going to open, and now you have it here. So all you have to do is to upload your design. So you upload your design here. It could be anything. You can upload straight from Canva, or you just upload from your files. So I'm going to go ahead and upload from my files. Let's use this. So I'm going to use this. Boom. So here you have it. If you want to crop it in or do anything you want, all you have to do is just click on this pen tool here and go ahead and crop it. And after that, you click on crop and continue. And that is it. And then you click on download. You can see medium. Medium is quite okay. For the high and super high, you have to pay for it. But medium is 1280 by 960, which is very okay for your social media, even for some little prints. So all we have to do now is to click on medium, and it's going to start downloading like that. And as you can see here, it has downloaded. All I have to do is to click on open, and I have the downloaded file in my archive. Just like that. So here is the downloaded file, and as you can see, it's just instant. This is something that will not take you anything. Now, you can do this for any business. You can go for packaging, boxes, food, cosmetics. Cosmetics, there is a lot of business owners that don't really have a good picture, but they have the design of their label. So you can just use the design and put it on any of these mockups, and they will thank you for it and pay you well for it. Amazing, isn't it? So all you have to do, just the same procedure, all you have to do is just select anyone that resonates with you, like this one, and go ahead and click on upload from file. So click on upload from file and upload image. There you have it. I have my image now. So let's assume that this is the design of the label. I'm just using this as a sample. So let's assume that this is the design for the label. And you can see it's amazing, and you know, the background takes the color of the design and everything looks very nice. And all you have to do is to hit on download and download it straight to your system or your phone or anything. And you can use your phone to do this. You can use your computer to do this. Anyone that you have, it's amazing. You can use that to do it. Now, if you have doubt that this is an actual business and a lot of people are using it to make thousands of dollars, let's quickly jump again back to Fiverr and search for mockups. So here is mockups. You can see a lot of people are using it to make so much money. I will design labels and do realistic 3D models for your product at $10 per order. And you can see this person has made over 1,000 orders. Let's check out this person and see what it's that this person is doing to make all this money. So let's click on this. So here you can see the actual number of orders that this person has done. You can see 2,382 gigs already delivered and 2 in queue. And you can see here it has 3,119 people on the waiting list, people that just added it as a wish list. Whenever they want to order something like this, they just come to him and order it. So you can imagine how amazing this is. So he is doing a total of 15 mockups for just $5. And remember, this is not costing you anything. It's totally free. All you have to do is to just take the client's design, upload it on the website, and download it and send to the client. So you can see, let's quickly do a little maths here as usual. So we're going to multiply this 2,382 times $5. Let's just do $5, right? Times $5. You can see he has made $11,000 just by doing mockups for people. And what are you waiting for? You can do this for people in your contact list. You can do this on Instagram. You can offer the same service on Twitter. You can offer the same service on Fiverr. Just make sure you use this to make money for yourself this new year. And let's quickly jump over to number 3 on the list. And number 3 on the list is background remover. And all you have to do for this one is to visit remove.bg. Yes, remove.bg. Once you're here, you click on upload image. So you select any image whatsoever that you want. So let me select this image and click on open. So now you have it automatically, instantly, in less than 1 second. It has removed the background just like that. So this is the original and this is the background that has been removed. And then all you have to do is to click on download to download the image and you're good to go. So here you can see there's so many people ordering for this particular service. And as you can see, this other $5, and you can see here he has done 987 orders. This one is 769 orders. This one is 86 orders. This one is 56 orders. This one is 943 orders. This one is 807 orders. This one is 975 orders, and on and on and on. It's amazing how much you can make with these skills. And these are things that you don't need to do anything. You just need to click a button on your phone or on the system and it will do that for you automatically. And all you need to do is to just send the final copy to your client and then you get paid. How cool is that? I just love living in this generation because everything is so damn easy. So that brings us to number 4 on the list, and that is no other than putting captions in videos. It's amazing how you can do this with CapCut. CapCut is an amazing free tool that you can use for editing, but it has this incredible feature that generates caption for you automatically with just the click of a button. And if you go to capcut.com/editor, if you're using PC, but if you are on your phone, just go to your CapCut, go to Play Store or your App Store, download CapCut if you don't already have it. But if you do have it, just go to your CapCut and open it and then choose black canvas and click on create. Then you click here to upload the video that you want to caption. So now it has uploaded and all you have to do is to drag it to timeline, quickly go to text and go to auto captions, and you can see recognize voice, generate captions, identify lyrics. The option that we're going to be using is the first one, which is recognize voice in sound or video and create auto caption. So we're going to go ahead and click on create. So now we have the captions that you can see, and if you want to correct the caption, you can click on the caption and you can find the caption here. You can make any correction you want on the caption, or if you want to stylize it, you can go ahead and pick any style that you want, animation or anything that you want for the caption, and it will do just that for you. So you can see that it actually generated the captions nicely for the video. So you don't have any other thing to do other than to stylize it the way you want, change the size, the animation, the type, you know, anything, anyhow you want it. As you can see, as you're changing this, every other thing is changing. You go to animation, you change the animation, how you want it to enter. Now, if you want to learn how you can now make it look like Hamuzi kind of captions or Pac David kind of captions, then you have to subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be uploading that video very soon. I'm actually working on a video that will show you how to do all that. But this is just the basics and you can charge a lot of money for it. And if you doubt me, let's quickly go over to Fiverr again and search for video captions. So there you have it. This is video captions. And as you can see, there's a lot of others for video captions. You can see a lot of people are ordering video captions. This is 56, this is 308, this is 99, this is 50, this is 220, and this is 22. This is 1,000 plus just to do subtitles, like captions for a video, synchronized captions for a video. Let's quickly check this one out, and you can see how much people make from all these services. As you can see, this guy has delivered 1,864 orders, and he has 2 orders in queue, and his starting order is $10 for 5 minutes video, and standard is $20 while premium is $30. So here you have the basics, so you can offer the the auto-generated without any style for basic and just do it for $5. Let's quickly go ahead and calculate how much this guy had made from just doing subtitles or captions for clients. So we're going to go ahead and do 1,864 by 10. Of course, you know what the amount is, right? $18,640 is what this guy has made from just captions. Now, this is me being on the conservative side. As you can see, there's a lot of orders, and of course, there's standard and there's premium. So a lot of people will order the standard, and a lot of people will order the premium. So whichever one be the case, but we just did the maths with just $10, and as you can see, he has made over $18,000. $18,000 for just captions. And the mind-blowing part is that all these soft skills are things that you can do with just your mobile phone. How cool is that? Now let's quickly move over to the next one, which is PDF editor. Now you're going to be editing PDF, and all you have to do to access this is just go to your Google and type in PDF24, as I've done, and then you click on the first one. Click on PDF24, and now you have it. You have 3 options here: PDF24 Creator, PDF24 Tools, and PDF24 Packs. So we're going to be using PDF24 Tools. Now, PDF24 Tools, you have so many tools here. You have the Merge PDF, you have Split PDF, you have Compressed PDF, you have the Edit PDF, you have the Sign PDF. For people that want to sign on a PDF and don't know how to do it, you can just simply use this and do that. You have the PDF Converter if you want to convert an image to PDF, a Word document to PDF, a text file to PDF, anything to PDF. Now, images to PDF, PDF to images, protect PDF, that's if you want to lock PDF. And guess what? If you have a locked PDF, this is the one you use. You just click on unlock PDF and choose the file that you have. I don't really have a locked PDF right now, but if you have any locked PDF, all you have to do is just upload it here, and that's all you have to do, and you download an unlocked PDF. How cool is that, guys? What are you waiting for to give this video a thumbs up so that more people can see it and benefit from it, guys? And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can learn more ways to make money online. I'm talking about making money online. I recommend that you watch this video next to learn more ways you can make money online. But if by any chance you have seen this video on this channel, then I recommend that you go watch this video next. It's going to teach you a lot on how to make money online this new year.